We have the list here. We're working our way through it. We've got some new stuff off the list. Got the Trueno loom. We got that 20 valve from Dan. You know, maybe the UK conversion. The gasket set, bearing set, water pump, water hoses, distributor blanking cap. This guy, braided lines, they're on the way. Boot lid is on the way. Got the dash, mirrors. The welding, we're still here. Fit all this shit. We've definitely procrastinated a lot for A, B, C, D. I got these off Dan, these 20 valve covers. Dan broke this one. So what's funny about this 20 valve cover is Dan swapped this cover for that car over there, which I'll cut to now, which we ended up using these pieces. That was broken. This other 20 valve cover was broken. So the two of them are broken. This one got posted down to me. I can't remember his name, but 20 valve lad. Got the lad. Please handle with care, lad. I got a collection of bride seats. This one, let's see. If there's any weird shite in it from Japan. Smell the Japanese guy's arse. Smell the Japaneseness. Oh yeah, look at this. 10 yen. Yes.
Snap it.
No, we won't. We will not snap any more bolts.
Am I jinxed? Jinxed.
Ready. More cunts. Look at him. Wow, that's some serious fucking Spidey magic. Is that another one there? Oh, there's loads of. 1, 2, 3. Look at this whole collection of just fucking pure Spidey misery. This one is lovely. This one is absolutely arse. That's fucking so nice. Okay, ready? Ready for the. Oh, just strip straight away.
Dave Neal.
Wow. Oh. What actually just happened is, just the heat melted it out of the bracket. It's funny, I see what you're doing here now.
Fuck off! Mask of me. Now, as far as I know, I don't think you can get these buckets anymore, so we can't kill them.
Blow some J on him.
This one is now ready for
Nuking it.
Just nuke it until there's no more spider.
Spidey cunts be stoned.
The sandcastle.
Yes, that's what we're looking for here. It's exciting. So right, this piece is made out of a car that Ruben crashed on Brian Duggan, which is hilarious. So everything that's getting cut into the car has a funny story.
I didn't cut through them!
You're like, oh shit.
These need to be cleaned, obviously.
Just clean it.
Look at that little spider. He's really big compared to this tiny Corolla. Oh, there's a spider still on my finger, right?
There's still a spider living in here because those webs still look fresh. The web is holding it now, look.
Nice.
I don't have a screwdriver for the web.
Yeah. There's the other piece of steel. Pimp my anus. So the reason why this was actually here is because somebody jacked it fucking arseways. Yeah, and that's what made it all rustly. Yeah. This happened because of not jacking it properly. Shit cuntery. Shit cuntery, yes.
And here's a link to where to jack it.
The shed is outside. Look at that Raleigh. Oh. Whoa, look at that. This is all right too, I guess. This car actually lives in the shed. This is Anto's Australian Import 11. It's a great car.
I just watched it for the show.
Yeah, the big show is on here.
Yeah. It's alright.
The Japanese car show. We have all angles covered. Sports cars,
4x4.
4x4s.
That's meant to be like that.
This is Evan's other Starlet. It's kind of cool. Has my old cage in it now. Here's I guess it's a G35 in fucking America, but it's probably one of 4 of these cars in Ireland. Here's Dougie's A101 11, which is also just over here. That's also a rare, cool car. Oh man, that sounds so good!
So loud.
It's amazing!
Yeah, but you can't like talk to people when you're accelerating. Yeah, you can't talk to each other either. What?
Oh man, I love that so much! It's now again. It's nice, little side piece and everything. Yeah. That is nice.
There.
Yeah.
And your twin cam quarter panel lower.
Jeez, you'd make a few quid now making up a few bits for the boys.
Yeah, like lads freak out, you know, fucking, oh jeez, the fucking quarter panel's rotten. If you have a few basic tools and a bit of patience, like,
You can make something nice.
She's grand in fairness. Oh, she's some silver now in fairness.
now,
Yeah, don't look away from this now, look away.
Yeah, that's nice, man. Be nice. I'll have to just actually put in holy music here. Crust, as usual.
lovely.
Delicious and nutritious.
Oh, crispy and crunch. We just I can feel the tetanus coursing through my veins.
Lovely.
She's a fucking beaut, man.
No, that's the structure there now.
And you can see she's starting, but
There's a bit of crust there now, but sure,
a
she's
small bit.
only surface, you know.
And that's what we're looking for. So I am going to shoot them with water and get rid of all the rest of the Spidey, misery, cunty, horrible shite that wouldn't come out when I washed it. We've loads of stuff to do here today. Oh, hey, we'll do the brackets, the bumpers. Very easily distracted. That's very nice. Is it a bit of a bollocks of a piece too?
Like, I didn't want to cut it all out in one go,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'll get that bit in,
Yeah, and then
get that piece in, and then do that piece. Fuck off. And now.
hi Barry. Another Barry.
Well, other Barry.
So these little spores are really, really hard to get out. The spores are considered to be as strong as glue. So we're blasting them out. I would like to get this throttle assembly vapor blasted, but for now. Oh yeah.
I did. It wasn't too bad.
Well, wasn't it?
I ground it out from behind and then I rust treated it.
Nice.
And then we put it back in. Fun.
What?
I'm doing is like.
Yeah, good head.
You can just do a normal head.
See,
Oh, yeah.
all the spory misery. You get the.
Non-spory.
Spider cunts are gone. The last ones, we're just blasting them away.
Last one. Where were you?
I was in town.
Watch what's behind this. Oh fuck. Oh, he's just falling apart.
He's a Skeletor.
He's a Skeletor.
Look at that. Lovely. Same one right here.
So as you can see, Barry did all this today. A lot of fucking angles on it and shit, but it looks fucking
great.
not easy.
Oh, this is so rare. You won't see this.
Ah, yeah.
Look at the precision fitment with the vice grips there.
Stop pulling the wire off yourself. We're actually, we sold this to somebody, so we're just cutting it up so we can put it in a box. Oh jeez. Using the boot lid as a jump. Jesus. Power nozzle.
Oh no! Oh no!
Chris,
Oh, you got toasted.
look at all that burned hair.